Hello, Professor. I'm Zhigang. My student's number is 3011595548. This is my segment 3. So first, I will present my process of resolving this issue in slide, and after that show I will show you in the terminal. So step 1 is install Apache server. This is easy, but sometimes we can confront this issue. CentOS 7 YARN repose issue. Resolve this issue is easy. Just edit this config file and remove this comment and make this base URL work. And after that, we just update the repository and then install Apache. After installation, I can try to check Apache work correct or not. When we see this active running, then we can know Apache is working well. Step 2. Step 2 is it's about make a firewall to allow HTTP and HTTPS to pass this firewall. And the second is make sure security Linux set to permissive. So this is the firewall command. And about set security Linux permissive, just edit this config and set SE Linux equal permissive, and then save this config. This is step 2. Step 3 is configure Apache to use the public home folder for our user. So this is Apache server's function. We should edit this config field and make sure user DLR is enabled. That means this function is available, and then set up user DLR is public HTML. This is the directory name. And step 4. Step 4 is create fields in home username and public HTML because my kernel user is Charlie. So first I should go to home Charlie and create a folder named public /HTML, and after that I will create 3 fields. One is index HTML to present this is Charlie's homepage. Second field is not found HTML. This is to serve 404 redirection to show ops page not found. And the third field named .ht accessed to config 404 redirection to non-found .html. this .htacces is a field Apache server used. This is configured in Apache server. So I have to use exactly the same name as .htacces. And in htacces, I just add this line. This line means define the error document when Apache server trigger a 404 event, then this and then redirect the response to using this HTML. This is this is my my public /HTML director, and in this director there are 3 fields. And step 5 is grant the permission to public HTML, and also be careful, I have to grant .htacces field correct permission, and after that this redirector function can be work well. Yeah, and step 6 is in my VM I need add path forwarding. After that I can use my host PC, my host Windows operating system to access the VM. That's mean after I set up this, I can use my host PC to access the CentOS in VM. The VM IP I should use the in Linux I should use the IP add to find guest IP is this, and in my host PC I use the IP config to find the local IP is this. And the last step is testing. So you can see this is on my host PC. This is the URL address, and since I have indexed their HTML, so by default Apache server use the index their HTML as the default resource to response. You see this is the index their HTML source, and this is the result. And you see this is the direction. If I try to access the unexist field, for example, a.html, because this field does not exist, so the Apache server will tell us oops, page not found. That means the config 404 work. Yeah, that is my solution. And after this I will show you in the okay. Yes. Okay, so yeah, so this who am yes, so exit who am yeah, Charlie, and system CTL is HTTPD. Yeah, so that's mean this Apache HTTP server is working, and after that I will show. Yeah, and then I will go to cd home. Yeah, in this home I have Charlie and another is Daniel. Daniel is another username I use to test this function. The result is well. So I will go to Charlie, and in this Charlie directory I have a public HTML. Yeah, in this you can see that's our yeah, this is the config field to make 404 redirection working. Yeah, and after that, and this is yeah, this is very simple index HTML, and oh, sorry, not font. Yeah, this is my not font. So maybe I can change something in Charlie direction. Okay. Okay. As if I find this, I can see. You see, in Charlie direction, ops page not found. So that's work. And what's that? Yeah, simple web page, video. Yeah, I will next. I will go to this e to see HTTP config. Yeah, here HTTP. Yeah, in this config we can see yeah must change this allow override is all. That means after setup allow override is all, and then and then this dot htaccs can be work. And open a browser and display indexed HTML. Yeah. Yes. Open browser. Yeah. This is open browser. You see, this is my localhost IP class. IP config. Yeah, here, this is my PC IP address. And if I Zhigang config again, and then yes, add again. If I try to find HTML which is not exist, and you can see this redirection function is work. This context come from here. Yeah, come from here. That's all. Let me check our things. One config, create a simple page. Yeah, yes. Change it. Yeah. Okay, that's all. Thank you.